Abuja's new bus terminals to curb one-chance crimes, modernize urban transport. Wike Abuja. The Federal Capital Territory, FCT Minister, Wike, has reaffirmed his administration's commitment to enhancing public safety and modernizing urban transport in Abuja through the commissioning of 2 state-of-the-art bus terminals. The new terminals, located in Kugbo, near Nyanya and Mabushi, are slated to be officially commissioned by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as part of the activities marking his 2nd anniversary in office. During an inspection tour of the 2 terminals and several road infrastructure projects on Tuesday, Wike stated that the new facilities are a strategic part of the FCT administration's efforts to tackle urban transport challenges, especially the persistent menace of one-chance criminals, a term used to describe taxi robbers and kidnappers, who prey on unsuspecting commuters. What it means is that you don't need to stand by the roadside to catch a bus. You have to go to the bus terminal. There, we know the drivers. We know the vehicles you board. That, of course, will limit this one-chance problem, Wike explained. According to the minister, by offering a centralized and secure location for commuters to board buses, the new terminals will drastically reduce reliance on unregistered, poorly maintained, and often unsafe commercial vehicles that pick up passengers haphazardly across the city. He noted that such informal operations have long contributed to traffic chaos, safety issues, and the proliferation of criminal activities in the FCT, modernizing Abuja's transport landscape. Wike emphasized that beyond the security aspect, the construction of the terminals is part of a larger strategy to overhaul Abuja's public transportation infrastructure, bringing it in line with global best practices for urban mobility. The idea is not just about security, it's also to bring order to the city. We can't continue to have vehicles parked indiscriminately, turning every roadside into a motor park. These terminals will organize how public transportation is run in the city and improve aesthetics and flow, he said. The facilities at both terminals include passenger lounges, administrative offices, ticketing booths, and designated pickup and drop-off bays. They are also expected to feature security systems such as CCTV surveillance, a registration system for commercial vehicles, and uniformed staff to monitor operations. Commendation for contractors, project funding strategy. Wike expressed satisfaction with the pace and quality of work done on both terminals, highlighting significant progress since his last visit. He commended the contractors for adhering to timelines and quality standards. The minister also took the opportunity to underscore the FCTA's fiscal discipline and strategic prioritization of infrastructural projects. According to him, projects are only awarded after thorough financial planning to ensure that they can be funded and completed on time. We do not award contracts based on sentiment or political pressure. We do so based on available resources. It's a matter of prudent spending and proper prioritization. With the support from President Tinubu and the internally generated revenues from taxes, we have been able to stay focused and realistic in our development agenda, Wike stated. He added that the administration's approach is a departure from the past, where uncompleted or abandoned projects often dotted the city due to poor planning and lack of follow-through, ongoing road projects and upcoming commissioning, in addition to inspecting the bus terminals. Wike toured several road projects within the FCT, including the strategic access road leading to the Court of Appeal complex at Dakibiu. He disclosed that this road is among the projects being considered for commissioning by President Tinubu. During the 2nd anniversary celebrations, the FCT minister reiterated that the government's vision is to ensure that Abuja reflects the status of a modern capital city, both in terms of physical infrastructure and quality of life for its residents. We are happy that we have provided this kind of infrastructure. Of course, you will agree with me that the bus terminal is a basic but critical component in transforming our transportation system. I commend the contractors, the FCTA staff, and all stakeholders involved. The residents of Abuja should expect nothing less than first-class infrastructure under the leadership of President Tinubu, Wike said. Public reception and broader implications. A move to build and operationalize the new terminals has been widely welcomed by urban planning experts and residents alike, who see it as a crucial intervention in addressing the FCT's public transport chaos and insecurity. Many residents, especially daily commuters, have long voiced concerns over the danger of boarding random vehicles along the road, with one-chance incidents resulting in loss of lives, abductions, and financial ruin for victims. The centralized terminals offer not just structure, but also a layer of accountability, as drivers and vehicles can be properly registered and monitored. Wike's statement reflects a broader understanding that urban safety and infrastructure development go hand in hand, and that transportation reform is not just about efficiency, but also about protecting lives and creating a more orderly environment. As Abuja continues to expand and urbanize, initiatives like the Kugbo and Mabushi bus terminals could serve as models for other Nigerian cities grappling with similar issues. If implemented effectively and sustainably, they could usher in a new era of safer, more reliable, and more dignified public transport for millions of residents. Want to become a travel content creator or launch your own channel? You don't need 1 million views or thousands of subscribers to start earning right away. If you're dreaming of sharing your travel stories and getting paid to do it, but don't know where to begin, let's chat. Book a one-on-one clarity call now and get paired with an experienced team lead to guide you every step of the way. Check the description box for the call purchase link.